Let's try this song. How could you say you love me? Yan. Try lang ha. Subok-subok lang. Never ending. Now you can't even say that you will stay. How could you say you love me? You would go and leave me. Could you make me hurt so bad? I have loved you than anyone can do. Can live the pain and feeling now of loving you. Thank you so much. Hindi ko alam yung song na to. How you hurt me this way. Thing I knew was loving you. Could you try pretending love was never ending? That you will stay